Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Today I thought I would bring you a fun short little video all about how to clean your microwave. And this is all without any chemicals and only using 3 ingredients. We're all guilty of it. A popcorn bag explodes, something leaks over when we're microwaving it, and the microwave's a mess. I am also one of those people that if I'm in a hurry, it just sort of stays that way. But it is actually super easy to clean your microwave, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It really doesn't take very long, maybe 15 minutes tops, and most of that is hands-off time. So there you have it. Now you and I have clean microwaves. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Where should I clean next? As always, if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Hi boys. Appa's afraid of the treadmill. Frankie just wants dinner. Bye!